Welcome back, LEGO Trainman here. In today's part 2 of our game development with Python series, we're going to cover a bit more on how Python code runs, variables, and learn how to use if statements. If you missed part 1, be sure to watch it first so you don't get lost or confused. Let's jump right in. In Python, scripts are executed from top to bottom following a linear flow. Each line of code is read and executed in sequence, so the order matters. Unlike some other programming languages that use curly braces or keywords to define code blocks, Python relies on indentation to indicate the structure of the code. Proper indentation is crucial. It's not just for aesthetics, but a fundamental part of the language. Indentation helps Python understand which lines of code belong together, forming logical blocks. Now, let's move on to the powerful world of if statements. Think of them as decision makers in your code. They allow your program to make choices based on conditions. To make an if statement, all we have to do is type if, and then our condition with a colon at the end. Python works by using indentation to mark different blocks of code, so all the code in the if statement has to be the same distance from the left side. Once you have all the code in your if statement, all you have to do is press backspace to continue typing in line with the original if condition statement. And there you have it, part 2 of our series. In the next video, we will import our first module and use our learned knowledge to make our first simple game. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.